Asawang Filipina. Since we are monetized, and then I just activated my join button in my channel, and those who wants to join me to become my members of my channel, you can join and you can just check it what I need to provide for you guys. And for me, I can promise that every week, once a week, I can upload a driving video. So this is usually for my subscribers or for my new subscribers that are willing and want to see and watch their driving videos. So for those who are willing to join to be the members and part of my channel, well, anyway, I will just upload a driving videos once a week for you guys, those who loves driving and pedal pumping, barefoot driving. So this is time for you to join the channel so that I can upload a video for you, and then that would be all. And there's nothing more that I can offer but just a driving videos, and for sure you will not regret it. So thank you all and see you next vlog. Bye.